Hello, children. This is Miss Carolyn.
And Miss Kim.
And this is your reading for today. Today, we are going to work on short vowel I sound.
I.
So this is I, g, ig, I, il, I, p, ip. Families. Shall we start?
Yes.
Before we start, write the words in your notebook. Okay, so write all these words down and then we will start. Pause the video to write. Okay, shall we start reading? First, ig, ig, p, ig. Pig, pig.
Ill. Ill. Pill. Pill.
Ig, ig. Ig. Wig, wig.
Ip. Ip. Lip. Lip.
Ill, mill, mill.
Ill. Hill. Hill.
Ig, ig. Dig, dig.
Ip. Zip. Zip.
Ip, rip, rip. All right, let's move on to the story. Ip family. I can zip. I will read it for you one time, and then you should try to read it on your own one time. Okay? I can zip. Mom, look. I can zip my jacket. First, I put it on. Next, I put my hands by my hips. Then, I hold my jacket at the tip. Last, I go up, up, up. Zip, zip, zip. See, Mom? I can zip my jacket. Oh, he can zip his jacket. Can you zip your jacket?
Zip.
Zip. Ip, ip, ip. So after you read it one time, find all the ip family and circle them. How many ip families did you find? Shall we count together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, there's only 9 ip family. Ah, interesting. All right, so let's answer some questions. What can the boy do, Miss Kim?
The boy can zip his jacket.
He can zip his jacket, just like you. Now, how does he start to zip his jacket? Do you remember?
He puts it on.
Yes, first, remember, first, he puts on his jacket. So, if you go back to the story, it says, first, I put it on. That's what he did first. Now, who is watching the boy zip his jacket?
I think his mom.
His mom is watching him zip his jacket. Now, don't forget to write the question and the answer down on a paper. This will help you practice your writing. Don't forget to start with the capital letter and end with the full stop. Okay? Now, next story. Egg family.
All right, my turn to read. This story is called My Pig Zig. I have a pink pig. My pig's name is Zig. Zig loves to dig. It makes Zig happy. Zig digs big holes. What a big mess, I said to Zig. Please do not dig, Zig. All right, please pause the video and read this on your own. Okay, we're going to find the words that have the egg sound. Ready? All right, let's find the egg words and see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 egg words. All right, let's answer some questions about the story. All right, it's question time. Miss Carolyn, what color is Zig?
I think Zig is pink.
Pink. Ooh, you're right. Zig is pink. What does Zig love to do?
Well, he likes to dig.
He loves to dig.
Oh, he loves to dig.
Yep.
Okay.
And what happens when Zig digs?
Well, when you dig, then you make a mess. So he makes a mess?
Yep, he makes a big mess. That's what he likes to do.
Okay, now write the question and the answer on your notebook.
Yep, pause the video so you can write it down. You can always go back and read the story again to find the answers. That's a good strategy to use when you're reading. All right, great job reading. Bong, bong. Do you know this animal? This is called do you know the name? This is called a manatee.
Manatees.
Manatee. Maybe you can see a manatee at the aquarium. Bong. He's hitting his face on the wall.
He's giving you a kiss.
Yeah, he's saying, great job reading.
Mwah!
Keep reading.
All right.
Don't forget to read on Raz Kids.
Yes, Raz Kids, and get the stars.
Yep, we'll give you some stars soon.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.